Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey bitch.
Guys, once you see me in the bathroom, you already know what's going down. You already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to do something on my hair. Y'all know it's about to be a review already once you see the bathroom background, right guys? If there's any noise in the background, let me just say I'm sorry in advance. I do not live alone, okay? And yeah, these kids, okay? Anyways, so what I'll be doing today, guys, is it's this thing I saw Cardi B doing. I don't know, she did it first, but I saw her do it, so therefore she's getting the credit. And it's something she did with, she put stuff in her hair. So yeah guys, that's what I'm going to be doing today because my hair is really dry and really damaged from color, as you can see. So I need something that's going to work, something that's going to really help my hair. So I want to test it out. Let's see if this is something for real, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have all the ingredients: 2 eggs, Jamaican castor oil, avocado mayo, avocado. And like I'm about to make something, some type of shape, but no, it's not that. For some reason, I don't know, but I guess I didn't close it right. This is my life, guys. This is my life right here. Could never do nothing right. Alright guys, so we gotta go to the bathroom because I'm about to put this in. All I smell is the avocado, like such a strong smell for a fruit. Anything else?
Come on, come on. So I'm done with makeup.
Why are you snatching on my hand like that? Oh my gosh, mommy, just like a drink water. Alright, so I'm about to detangle my hair so that I could put it. I'm not about to be like Cardi B. She said detangle dry. I cannot detangle my hair dry. Already detangled it a little, so
what you doing, Jackie?
That's nasty. I'm gonna go throw up.
knock me out. I like how this make my hair look so rejuvenated and moisturized.
What you doing, Jackie?
Y'all, I never thought I could wear my hair like this, but do y'all see? Oh. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me turn my back.
What they at do? What they at do?
Your girl got bounce. I got bounce now. Oh.
Okay.
Yo, I think I'm gonna be doing this a lot more. I'm gonna stack up on them avocados, stack up on some eggs. Everything like, yo. I'm gonna be like, y'all can't touch this. Nope. Oh my gosh. She said to leave it in as long as you can. I'm gonna leave it in. You ain't gotta tell me twice.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Okay, so yeah, let me try it again. Yo, what do I look like? Hi, my name is Vanessa. Okay. Y'all, this could be a hat. This could sell. Oh, this kind of feel like a nice massage. Bounce. Yo, I got bounce. Like, oh. Okay, y'all sleeping on me. Y'all sleeping on my hair. Okay. Dang, it's making my neck itch though. Alright guys, as y'all can see, my hair is pretty much looking. Look, what? Let me put a before and after pic. I'm putting the after pic right here. Like, do y'all see this? Look, y'all. Man. Listen, let's put this in slow motion. Y'all ready for this heat? Y'all ready for this heat? I'm walking today. Alright, let me stop there. Okay guys, it's time for me to put this plastic over it. I'm gonna let this sit for like, she said to make it sit as long as you can. So I'm gonna give it like about an hour. Dang, how the heck? Okay, I think I'm doing it now. I'm not tripping, like this is not the first time I put plastic on my head. Like, come on Tori, get it together, girl. Okay. Oh, I still put it wrong. Oh, this is what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, I got it now. I got it, y'all.
Six hours later.
Okay, let me let all the air out. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit for an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for an hour. Alright guys, so it's been an hour and it's time for me to take this out. So let me do that. It's probably all dried up. Talk about shrinkage, like. Look at this. Inches. So I'm about to wash this out now. I'm gonna take a shower, wash it out, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I would say the difference is it feels very moisturized. It feels very light and soft. My hair is normally rough when I don't moisturize it, so I think this was an A+. I know I'm gonna do it again, like maybe like in 2 more weeks I'm gonna put it in my hair again. But anyways, yeah guys, overall I like it. It's great. So I'm trying to find something to moisturize my hair. I can't find anything, so I don't know what I'm gonna use yet. Might have to go get one. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all better subscribe. Subscribe, like, you know you want to. Join my family. Subscribe, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Okay, bye. Peace.